What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Master Chef Freddie Cole, also known as Petey Nature, gospel hip hop artist slash reggae artist. And it's your boy, Mr. Keep It 1000 with you from the Cooking with Petey Nature show on URN, Unified Reach Network. But right now, this is PETEY Nature TV. I'm about to bring to y'all real quick. One of my favorites is a Spanish dish, black beans. It's also Caribbean, so it's Cuban, Caribbean, Spanish. But I love black beans, y'all. So I'm about to give y'all my quick new Millennium Chef recipe. It's gonna trip y'all out, but yeah. Most people do it by cooking the ham down or cooking pork down, but we're not gonna use pork today. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do black beans without pork. So check this out. As you can see, I wanted this video to be quicker than the last videos I did, but as you can see, I already got my mise en place ready. So this is one small, fairly medium-sized onion dice. This is like 4 or 5 cloves of garlic chopped. And this is the most important part of the recipe, cilantro. And I love the smell of cilantro, man. Oh my goodness. This is like a 1/4 cup of cilantro chopped up. So, I already got my beans open. And no disappointment to the Latinos worldwide, my fans, my homeboys that's chefs. Shout out to Julio Sanchez. Shout out to Carlos Portela. These are big time executive and also master chefs, award winning chefs. My homeboy Carlo has won many barbecue awards, man, for getting down on his barbecue. He got a restaurant in Puerto Rico, and they're all from Puerto Rico. And I can't forget my homeboy Mitchell Ramos. He also had a restaurant in China. So shout out to my Latino chefs, and shout out to Goyi, man. Shout out to Goyi Ministries, man. But let me get rocking because I got a busy day ahead of me, so I got to grind. But I just wanted to, so I do know how to do black beans without using black beans in the can. Don't get it twisted, all right? So what we're gonna do first, put some oil in the pot. Not a whole lot. Get that on the stove. Now, y'all gonna laugh about this. Some things I do, and shout out to my homeboy Chef Desmond Short. Some things I do is gonna be like amazing to you. I'm in the country, North Carolina, so to keep from going all the way to Lawrenceburg, I went to Family Dollar General, 5 miles away, and they didn't have no chicken base. So, being skillful that I am, this was my alternative and quick thinking. Chicken flavored ramen noodles. And see, I got recipes that use ramen noodles, so they're not gonna go to waste. Cause I make hibachi ramen noodles, so I don't need the seasoning in the pack. So being I couldn't get no chicken base, I'm taking this out of the ramen noodles and I'm putting that into my black beans. So I got 4 cans here, so I'm gonna use 2 of these. It's pretty clever, right? So as soon as my pan get hot, I'm gonna drop my onions and let my onions get a little translucent a little bit. Then I'm gonna drop my garlic. Then drop my cilantro. Then I'm gonna start pouring the beans in, and then we'll go from there with the seasonings. All right, here we go. Yeah, it is Fire Fridays with Petey Nature, man. I've been doing Fire Fridays, and people been getting pissed off. Like my cousin, a whole big thing turned out, man, about my cousin getting pissed off because the Most High led me to, just do some warning and scriptures about the devil. He was like, man, I'm tired of seeing the devil this, devil that all on my timeline, man. He got real pissed. Like, he cussed my sister out because he made a live video and started disrespecting like the whole family in North Carolina because, I'm originally from New York. So he was in New York when he recorded his live video. So I had to kind of calm down. Fire Fridays with Petey Nature. I'm still doing it, don't get me wrong. And also on Petey Nature TV, look out for my youth ministry that's coming. My youth ministry is coming. So y'all stay tuned in and y'all subscribe to Petey Nature YouTube channel. That's where you're going to get all of these cooking videos. That's where you're going to get my music videos. That's where you're going to get information. Everything associated with the name Petey Nature is going to be on my Petey Nature YouTube page. So subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. And guess what we serving? Guess what we serving these black beans with? Jerk lamb ribs. They call it lamb breast, but it's the ribs. Jerk lamb ribs with black beans and yellow rice. Woo! And Jamaican fried dumplings. Fire! Alright, so now we're going to add the garlic. Alright, now cilantro. And before you open these cans, make sure you sanitize the lids, the tops. Sanitation is key. Now, the thing to making good beans, especially beans in the can, and especially black beans, and all Spanish recipes, even if you're cooking down home pinto beans, you want to use the juice. And I'm going to explain. Hold on. I'm just gonna add a little water. Now on the other side of this sink is sanitizer water. Alright. Now what I was going to explain to you was that if I don't use canned foods a lot, really. But if I do use canned foods like corn or, green beans or something like that, I rinse them off and then create my own stock. But when it comes to beans, and I know Jose you're gonna love this part when I say it, we use the juice straight out the can. We don't rinse them off. But now if I'm cooking well, you know what? Even when I'm cooking rice and beans Caribbean style, I still want that juice because it gives it that tint that little tint of darkness, kind of beige. It gives it that beige look a little bit. So when it comes to cooking with beans, we keep the juice, baby. Way far. So I'm gonna finish seasoning this, and I gotta go because I got cheesecakes to box up. It is Friday. So pretty much all I'm gonna do, once I finish seasoning everything, and wait till you see the rest of the seasonings I'm gonna put. Alright, so because I use the seasoning from this ramen noodles, salt already has a little salt content, so you want to be careful with how much salt you use. So I'm just going to use a little sea salt. Black pepper. A lot of recipes and a lot of chefs use white pepper, making beans and stocks and soups. I don't like white pepper. And for those that don't know, white pepper is stronger than black pepper, and I'll tell you why. White pepper comes from the inside of the peppercorn. So anything that is closer to the root or to the nucleus of anything is going to be more powerful. Just like the seeds in the pepper are inside the pepper, that's what'll burn your eyes. That's what'll burn your mouth up, is the seed inside the pepper. I hope that makes sense to y'all. Alright, so I added salt, pepper, and it's the last ingredient. This is actually another one of the secrets to my beans, which is cumin.